Good morning. This is Triptika. Now we're going to see exercise number 8 from Java programming. Before going into, let's look at the question of what it says. We'll see what the logic is all about. So first we'll have to create a Java program that would read. Sorry, let me share the screen first. Okay. So we'll be creating a Java program that would read the paragraph of a text that we give, which is user defined, and it would create two threads totally, called word and vowel, and then it would perform operation with 2 seconds delay. Like first one thread would execute, and then the interval of 2 seconds delay, another thread would be executed. So firstly, word thread would display each word one by one. After that, after 2 seconds of delay, uh, the vowel thread would start executing, and it would print each vowel one by one. So now let's see how the execution happens. Uh, okay, so So the execution goes like, first we have created a package called multi-threading. So as we use two threads already in the program, we have named something relatable to the package. So the package name is multi-threading demo. And then we are importing Java util scanner because we're going to get user-defined input from the user. So that is why scanner is being used. And then we're using first, as the instruction is given, we are going to use word thread. So after the uh, thread word was executed, and then vowel will be executed. And so under that, we are using the attribute like text. So text is in string, and then we use this keyword here. Um, for the differentiation or the variability of two different attributes in the same class. And then we use run method. Run method contains logic which is used to split the paragraph into two words. So as the motive of our this particular program is to split the words, give the count of the words, and give the count of the sorry, not the count, give the number of words, and then in out of it give the vowels to it. So firstly, that is where we are going to see we are using. Okay, so nextly, we'll be going into the second thread, vowel thread, that implements again runnable commands. And then a run method would also check if the character in the text, if it is vowel, if both are uppercase and lowercase. So these are the conditions that vowel thread would check into. And if it is yes, it would print the vowel. Then it passes for 2 seconds. Again, the thread is responsible for processing and printing the vowels again. So in the delay of 2 seconds, next upcoming vowels would keep printing here. And then now we come to the main class. In the main class, we start, that is where the execution would start to begin. So we display the student details over there, and then the paragraph is stored in the variable. As two threads are used, we name the objects as T1 and T2, and then T1 and T2 are created. Each thread would run a different runnable. So first it would print a word, and then it would print vowels into it. A word thread would firstly call T1 dot start method. Join method would make the thread wait until the thread finishes the it gets finished completely, and then the bubble thread would complete would oh, sorry it would start bubble thread would start then, and then the join method would be used. Both the threads would run one after the other in the control of the other thread into it. So let's see how the output runs. So now let's see how the output runs. So let me enter a paragraph. So Asha is playing in the park. This is the input I've given here. Let's see. Words get calculated first and then followed by the vowels into it. So let's see how the execution happens. As we have discussed already, in the delay of 2 seconds, each vowel gets printed. Are you able to see? Each vowel or each word gets printed in the delay of 2 seconds. So this is how the execution takes place. Yeah, and then the execution is successfully completed. Thank you. Thanks for watching.